Hi my friends, today I am making a tutorial about Gimp, how to manipulate images and how to import a font. Okay, first of all we go to gimp.org and we go here to download. Let's see a little bit. So we go to Gimp and directly we see download. So we give download here. Okay. Gimp can be used on Windows OS Linux. Okay. I will download Gimp directly here. Okay. Yeah, we have to wait a little bit. Okay, now we downloaded Gimp. I have it in here. I will start the setup. Run. Install for me only. English version. Install. It will take a little bit of time, so I will pause a little bit. Okay, my friends, we installed Gimp. Now we give finish. Now we have Gimp installed. If you don't see it in here, just go in here and you will see it here. Or if not, just search. I will start it right now. The first time it takes a little bit. Okay, then what we have to do, we can go on unsplash.com. It's a very beautiful website for with free pictures. I have chosen a picture. Yeah, if you want, you can take a picture, whatever picture you want. I will snip it for here, but don't forget to also share the picture. This will also help the photographer. And I will just take the picture from here. Okay, so now we have the picture. I will save it on the desktop. Okay. I'll save it with Gimp. Okay. And let's see a little bit. Okay. We also have the picture in here. I call it Gimp. I will just click right and go to open with, and we have it here. Okay, we open the picture. Okay, make the image bigger. Now in here we have the toolbox on the left and the layers on the right. For example, if you don't see them here, just go in here. I will close them, and you just go in here to Windows, and you go to here to layers, channels, panels, color map, and you have it here again. And then we go to Windows again, and new toolbox, and we have the toolbox in here. Then we have to do one thing more. We need, for example, a new font. I am on dafont.com, and I have found in here a nice font. It's called Satin. You just go in here to download. Please pay attention to be free for personal use. Then I just download it. Okay. Good. Then the only thing that you have to do, just a moment, download. Okay. For example, extract here. Okay, I will find it somewhere here. Satin, I don't see it. Okay, I have it here. Just double click here, and all you have to do is install. I already have installed this font, so I won't do it again, but just click here. Okay, then the thing that we have to do next is to close our Gimp, because we have installed a new font. We have to restart Gimp so that we will find it. Okay, I will restart it. I have again the image Gimp. I open with Gimp. Okay, perfect. Now, what I want to put here is a code. I love very much codes. So you go here on the letter, simply here, and then Ctrl V, paste it. Okay, go on the arrows to take it and move it somewhere. Okay, double click, click again the letter, and Ctrl A to select all. Okay, I will make it red just for you. Okay, and let's see what we have downloaded and installed, and to see if we have Satin. Oh, we have it here, so nice. Okay, and from here you make it bigger, as big as you want. I believe that for me it's enough. Okay, then you go again on the arrow and you just move it in here. This is it. It's very beautiful. I like it, the font. And then we go in here to export an PNG image. We go to export and I will call it Gimp 3 on the desktop. Export. Okay, and then if we want to save also the letters and the image to use it in the future or so, we have to go to save as, and here we have this termination. This is only for Gimp, and it will also be saved with Gimp 3 also on the desktop. I want it, and just save it. This was, my friends. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.